Hello, students of class 6. Good afternoon. How are you? I hope you and your family will be fine. My dear students, today we are going to discuss about chapter first, A Tale of Two Birds. Tale means story. आज जो है मैं आपको इस फर्स्ट चैप्टर की समरी कराऊंगा। बुक है आपकी ए पैक्ट विद द सन। कल मैंने जो आपके जो हनी शकल का एक फर्स्ट चैप्टर कंप्लीट करा दिया था, आज जो है हम इस चैप्टर को करेंगे। राइट, आई होप यू विल बी लिसनिंग केयरफुली। वंस अपॉन ए टाइम देयर लिव्ड ए बर्ड एंड हर two newborn babies in a forest. Their nest was in a tall tree in a Danish forest. One day, a stormy wind blew down the tall tree in which the birds and her baby lived. Unfortunately, the mother bird was killed when a big and heavy branch hit their nest. But fortunately, the two baby birds saved. The wind blew away the baby birds to the other side of the forest. One of them came down near a cave, and second baby bird came down near the Rishi Ashram, where the first baby bird came down. They lived robbers in the cave. The other baby bird landed outside a Rishi Ashram. Day passed and the baby birds became big birds. One day, the king of the country came to the forest for the hunt, followed by the king, a deer. He lost the way. Suddenly, he reached near the robber's cave. He was tired. The king was tired. So he sat down under a tree. After some time, he heard a bird's voice saying, "Quick, hurry up. There is someone under the tree. Come and take his jewels and his horse." The king also heard faint noises issuing from the cave. The noises were robbers. He amazed. He quickly rode his horse and ran away. After some time, the king reached the Rishi's ashram. He sat down in the shade of a tree. He heard the same bird voice, "You are welcome to the Rishi's ashram. Please rest inside and drink cold water." Rishi came shortly. He noticed the difference between the behaviors of the birds looking alike. After some time, when the rishi came, the king asked him about the birds. The king rested some time there and shared his food. He narrated the story of the two birds. The rishi told him that company has its own effect, right? तो मैं आपको जो है इसकी जो वर्ड मीनिंग है वो इसकी पिक भेजूंगा। यही है कि इसमें चैप्टर में बताया गया किस प्रकार से जो है कंपनी का इफेक्ट होता है। जो पहला बर्ड था वह जो रोबर्ट्स के कंपनी में था, इसलिए जो है उसकी वॉइस भी ऐसी थी, उसका बिहेव भी इस प्रकार से था। जो सेकंड बर्ड था वह जो है ऋषि के आश्रम में रहता था, वहाँ लैंडेड हुआ था, तो उसी प्रकार से जो है बाहर के लोगों को रिस्पेक्ट करता था। तो इस बच्चों, माय डियर स्टूडेंट, इससे हमें ये शिक्षा मिलती है कि हमें जो है हमेशा अच्छी कंपनी रहनी चाहिए, उसका जो इफेक्ट जरूर पड़ता है। थैंक यू एंड हैव ए नाइस डे।